In front of me is MediaTek KT107, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So it's super quick and easy operation because all you need to do is to tap on power button and hold it. Just keep holding. And now you can leave it once you see MediaTek logo. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use it as previously. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.